Master Your Natural Voice not only answered the age-old question of what warm-ups do I do, but it also pointed out other aspects of vocal health for me, such as, using and stretching and alleviating tension in all of your musculature. When they say, sing from your diaphragm, or what does that mean? And is it even correct? And how should we actually use our bodies in order to sing correctly? So it's a very well-rounded program, and it helped me become a more balanced vocalist. As a teacher myself, my favorite part of Karen's teaching is that it really puts the power in my hands and allows me to become my own teacher. So between voice lessons, I know what warm-ups work for me, depending on what I need to sing that day, which warm-ups to pick and choose, so that I can have the most successful vocal day. Also, I'm a theater teacher, so I have all of these warm-ups and exercises at my disposal that I can then use for my students. So this program, Master Natural Voice, is invaluable to my performing and teaching life.